Here we have a 2018 BMW 330E M Sport Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch black alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the white exterior paintwork, the adaptive LED daytime running headlights, two gloss black front kidney grills. We have the M Performance kit including the front splitter as well. Right to the passenger side you'll find the second alloy wheel, once more in excellent condition. We have the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles, we have the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae, we also have the rear spoiler lip as well. Coming back round to the rear you find the front and rear parking sensors, we have a visual display inside, a reversing camera as well. We have the twin pipe exhaust with the rear diffuser. And coming back round to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior, so in the back first you'll find the full red leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre, we have the fixed ISO points down there, the vents for the rear passengers with a 12-volt connectivity, storage nets behind the front seats, we have the premium Harman Kardon sound system as well on the doors, electric windows as well. Coming into the front you'll find that we have the same full leather interior, however both these front seats are heated and there is a look at them. Again on the doors the premium Harman Kardon sound system, we have the electric windows with child for the rear, electric mirrors as well, we have the auto lights just there, the auto wipers as well, multifunctional steering wheel with paddle shifters either side. If we take a seat inside you'll find that we have the cruise control and speed limiter just there. Put our foot on the brake and press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us and you'll find that we're free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We also have the high beam assist as well just there. Moving across onto the main infotainment screen you'll find the likes of the sat nav on here. If the screen is flickering that is just the camera, it's not like that in reality. We also have a range of media such as the DAB, FM and AM radio, we have the music collection, the CD and DVD, the Bluetooth audio, USB as well. We have the phone connectivity just there. If we go to the main menu, you find all these options just here that we've been through. Go into My Vehicle for example, go into the Technology in Action. This is where you'll find the sport displays, which is a pretty cool feature to have. If we go back again, go into the vehicle settings just at the top. This is where you'll find the ambient lighting just on the interior lighting just there. We also have the reversing camera, so we put it into reverse, you'll find the reversing camera and parking sensors as well. Putting it back into park low. Further down you'll find the climate control, we have the heated seats on either side and the ice cold air conditioning, all working just as it should do. Further down you'll find some storage space, we also have two good sized cup holders and a 12-volt connectivity as well. The gear stick just there. All of the different drive mode buttons, so if we press that you'll find we have the Eco Pro drive mode, we also have the Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus as well. We have the traction control button just there, the parking sensors, the eDrive, we have all of the shortcuts for the infotainment screen, nice handbrake just there and the leather armrest which can be opened up for more storage. We have another USB port just inside of there as well. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.